Hello, my name is Kevin from JBH. Thank you very much for choosing JBH wheelchair. I'm going to show you how to unbox D11A, which is really simple and easy. First of all, let's open up the top of the carton. Once we open it, we just lay the whole carton down. This way we can take out the units very quick. Once we've taken out the wheelchair from the carton, we will find out we have a seat cushion, we have seat back cushion, and a charger. The other two things, which is a controller and also a user's menu with safety belts and some simple tools right inside the storage bag. We already got the wheelchair out of the carton. Right now, we need to open the wheelchair. It's really simple and easy. Just hold the top of the seat back here. Lean the wheelchair towards the front. Then you can open the wheelchair. Really simple and easy. Next, we need to set up seat back with a door to the back. And then seat cushion on the top. Also, the controller, just insert into the pipe here. Turn the knob to tight. Connect the wire. This wheelchair is very special on the design of the batteries. Built-in type. Also, when you turn the key here, you will eject it out slightly. That allows you to take out the battery from here. Turn the power from the back of the battery here. Then push the battery inside the frame. Turn this power again. Take out the key. Wheelchair has a premium mode design. If you want to push by hands, we need to push the lever to the top. That allows us to push by hands. Then if you want to go by electric control, we need to push the lever back. To access the wheelchair, we need to turn the lever here by lifting up the armrest that allows us to access from the side here, or you can go through the floor. Push the armrest back, turn the lever down, touch the power that we are ready to go to the front, to the back, or to the sides. There are two ways of charging the battery. First of all, you can have direct charge through the controller, but plug in the plug of charger here, and then you can connect to power source. The second way is off-board charge, that you need to take out the battery. You can do it everywhere whenever there is a power source. Make sure you have this one off and also the other switch off. Then connect the power of the charger here. Then you can do charge everywhere as you want. Fold out the wheelchair is really simple and easy. Just touch the knuckle here at the same time, touch the seat back to the front a little bit. Hold both ends, one on the seat, the other on the top of this seat back, and then you can close it. I think it's 1 second you can do it. It's really simple and easy. We got all the information listed on the user manual. Also, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel. We have a lot of information for you. Thank you very much.